Hello, friends. Such a beautiful windy day. I could call it Windy Thursdays. Just kidding. But we're out here right now at 637 Bainbridge, right here in Winter Garden. Just to let everyone know, open house is tomorrow. So we're inviting the whole neighborhood, even inviting you guys. You guys might know someone looking for a home, and our sellers are motivated to move. So who knows? We can also help you guys with financing. So comment and like below. But if anything, stay tuned for tomorrow. Come by and say hi and look at this beautiful 2,190 square foot home. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Oh, by the way, it is a corner lot. So much room on this home. And this community is beautiful. Look at it. Right here in Winter Garden. So stay tuned for tomorrow. And I will update you guys with more videos. Don't forget, like and subscribe.